Alright, so how you can trade stocks. So you need a brokerage to trade a stock. Like TD Ameritrade, Webull, Robinhood, um, Charles Schwab, pretty much any brokerage. Now I like to get that discussion is very touchy because people have their favorite brokerages. I don't like Robinhood unless you're long-term investing and you're value investing, because they're too simple. I mean, look at this. If I show you, I'm going to show you my Robinhood account. Um, it's not that great. No, shoot. Super, very basic. Look at, there's no actual information on this chart. Like Square, look, it's just going up. I mean, you can get a little bit of information, but it is not much. And I don't think that, wow, holy crap. I'm up 20% on Square. Holy crap, that's great. Um, that's cool. All right, but so you need a brokerage. I don't like it. I don't like Robinhood that much because there's not enough information. I think the best overall one is Webull. Now I'm gonna have another video on that for finding the best basically brokerage and best brokerage for you, and I'm gonna make a video on that. All right, but as you can see, that you know what a stock is. You don't know how to trade it yet, but you need a brokerage. You need to sign up. You need to be 18, but you don't really need to be 18 because you can for TD Ameritrade. You can sign up for a child account, which means you get your parents' approval on it, and then they basically just sign up like a contract with the people. You won't get margin, which means you can't day trade. You can swing trade, but you can't like swing trade that profitably, Um, so what my best thing is, just sign up under your parents' name. Make sure they know because that'll be an issue if you don't tell them and then tax time comes and you made money or you lost money. Because if you lost money, you can deduct those taxes. But if you gain money, you have to pay taxes on on that stuff. So, yep. Um, so, and then if you're above 18, literally just to go out and do it. You can be really good at it. You can trade like Warren Buffett. You can, which is really slow, but he's very consistent. So he basically just gets loans from banks and stuff and then trades them. So yeah, and then you can swing trade and day trade. Day trade means you have to have over $25,000, because you need those day trades. If you don't have the day trades, you can't trade. I'm sorry. It is not possible. I tried for a bit with 15,000. I lost 3,000. It's not fun. All right. So if you don't want slow growth, but you want fast growth, I am highly recommending swing trading. So that's how to trade basically. Not how to trade for real, but how to trade just in general.